Okay, you're going to hear some background noise, but I'm going to give you a gist of how this application works. Keep in mind, we have not yet to design this application, so what I'm showing you is just the minimal functionalities for the MVP. So here we go. I'm gonna log in. Oh, and by the way, the company's name is Solatis. Okay, I'm gonna log in using Google Authentication. Okay, so now it's taking me to the application. This is just our default landing page. You can actually start uploading files, starting a chat. You can chat with our audio and chat with PDF. Basically, what that means is that if you upload a video, we automatically transcribe the video, and then with that transcription, you can run that through one of our chat models and communicate with that chat transcription. You can ask it any questions. You can ask it to provide you with a summary, full detailed overview, any questions that you want to ask. You can ask that video. You can do the same with audio, and you can do this as well with PDF documents. So if you want, you can upload a book, and it will kind of go through the entire book and provide you with summaries, and a plethora of other items. So you can also connect this to your Google Calendar. You connect to your Google Calendar. I choose the calendar that I want to connect to. Keep in mind that this is still in dev mode. So now I'm granting Solatis permissions. So now if I go down to up to my events, I can see my calendar. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so now let's chat with AI. So basically here is where I can start a discussion with AI, and really with this one is kind of simple, similar to Chat GPT or anything else. You ask it a question. Of animals do dogs come from? That's stupid. And it basically does this. What you can also do is you can interact with our bot. So we have a conversational bot, which you can interact with. So I will click on.
Hi, David. Welcome to Solatis AI. How can I help today? I should. You can speak to me. No need to apologize. I'm here to help. You can continue our conversation about dogs or start something new. What's on your mind? You can pause or stop the conversation at any time and resume when you're ready. And if you don't want the bot to hear you, you can simply mute it. That way, you have control over the interaction and can use the bot only when you need it.
Documents. These are just regular basic things I just uploaded. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chat about this document here, title, link status. So I'm gonna go to documents. I'm gonna start a conversation. Okay, cool. So I'm not gonna type anything here. enable all PDFs, so when I interact with the bot, it is understanding what I'm talking to. And what I mean by that is that there's a list of PDFs that the chatbot will have information about. So here we go. Click enter.
Hi, David. Welcome to Solatis AI. How can I help you today? I have 5 PDF documents. 1 Solatis pitch deck, light paper 3, title or lien status, insider trading policy 5, Gartner ChatGPT webcast. Let me know if you need help with anything else. The title or lien status report is for a 2020 Honda vehicle. It has one active lien held by American Honda Finance Corp. The report was generated on July 17th, 2024, and the information is current as of that.
So if you, this is basically my lane for my car. You'll notice that it can actually ask any questions about that lane. So I can go back to that conversation. So this is a conversation. You can always go back in history. So this is a conversation I was having. So now I'm gonna go back and interact with the bot.
Hi, David. Welcome to Solatis AI. How can I help you today? The lien holder for the 2020 Honda vehicle is American Honda Finance Corp. with an address of P.O. Box 997506, Sacramento, CA 95899.
We have Zoom and Microsoft Teams. So there's a couple of competitors, right? So we have a meeting, virtual meeting with your teammates, and what we do is we record the meeting and we create a transcription. Those transcriptions are stored into a local vector database, and so I'll click conversation. What's going to happen is it's going to be a list of transcripts. So here are the transcripts here. Go back to transcripts, click start conversation, and it's going to be the same behavior. I'm going to interact with the bot.
Hi, David. Welcome to Solatis AI. How can I help you today? Here's the list of transcripts. 1. A simple way to break a bad habit. 2. Grit the power of passion and perseverance. 3. 246 Walker Audio Part 2.4. 246 Walker Audio Part 1.5. 246 Walker.
Based on the question that you ask, it can provide you with a response. And all that information is stored in our database. So what happens is over time it gets become smarter and smarter, right? It starts to understand everything, and it'll get to a point where it has so much knowledge that you can ask it anything, and it'll be able to provide you with a response. It's like, just think about it, your brain, right? Your brain has a lot of information in it, but only you know that information, right? So now you're basically sharing the information that's in your brain, whether you have it in documents or if you have it in notes. It's all being stored in this application, and this application is really going to get to know you. It's going to help you and to become, like your best friend, because it's going to know just as much as you know. As long as you keep feeding it with information, it's just going to have a good sound understanding of, like, who you are as a person. At some point, it'll start to understand your style of speaking. We're also implementing ways where it can just recognize you by voice, understanding your mood. So whether you're happy, sad, just by the way that you're speaking, it should have the ability to understand that, just by the words you use, your tone. So that's something that we're currently working on. Hey, cool. So the next thing is the videos. Does the same with videos. So you have the ability to upload a video. You upload the video here, it automatically transcribes the video. So after the video is transcribed, it's automatically converted into text. You have questions and answers. These are questions that, random questions that a person may ask about the video. Video descriptions, chapters, and keep in mind, design is not there. We'll be consulting with a lot of people to figure out what's the best design. You can also take these summaries or anything that you capture, you can share it. You can share it to Google Docs. We're working on that one as well. Click on advanced. Technically, it's actually supposed to open up another page, but now it's connected to Google Docs, right? So now, if I go back to that video and I click on any of it, chapters, now I can share it to Google Doc. So it's going to create a document and it's going to push it over to Google Docs. The same thing with Slack and same thing with email. So if I want to share via email, I simply just enter. I actually don't care about sharing my email. I get 1,000 emails per day. Click plus, send. Contents of emails are going to be sent. And you go here, gmail.com. And just opening up my email. And here it goes. So the content was shared. Here it is. Like I stated, this will be designed. So now I'm going down, and like I said, we have it for audio, we have it for video. We have your file manager where you can actually upload files, segregated by documents, audio, videos. You can manage your subscription. You have multiple plans, your annual plans. We're working on team plans, and it track usage. So each plan will be based on usage. So for example, you can upload X number of videos per month, or you can have 30 different video interactions. We're gonna have like a free plan, and then we'll have like plans. I think might just be going the enterprise route, and we'll have like single user subscriptions as well. My events, like I stated, these are events that's on your calendar. Then notes, you can take notes. So like this is something that we're working on right now. You can click add a note, title, David's notes. So if I wanted to, dog, add tag, type in hello, I am a dog. So what we could do, right? So you wrote I'm a dog. We have this feature that we're creating called Boost with AI. So, or you can click your custom AI query. So as you tag in notes, you can actually have it rewrite with AI, improve text and vocabulary, make your text longer, summarize. That's what your notes, right? And one thing that's cool about it is that, like during the recording of the meetings that you're having, you can take notes. It'll automatically take notes for you. So that's something that I will share in a later demo. So I click save. It's stored here, and guess what? It's also stored in our vector database. So what we're building is an option to communicate with your notes, to ask it questions. Soon it's going to be smart enough to kind of understand your calendar. Hey, what do I have today that's scheduled? Do I have an event today? It should be able to communicate with you and tell you what's going on at what time. So it's going to serve like as a reminder as well. And then some of the integrations we have the Chrome extension, Slack, and then we have Google Docs integration. So this is kind of the gist of the project. Let me know if you have any questions. We've really worked hard on this. We have so much more to do, but this is like the MVP of what we're working on. I believe that's going to be a successful project. It's one of a kind. It's very different than other projects. I'd like to get your opinion. If you'd like to invest in this project or be a part of it, please let me know. And I'll share this out. Just let me know what's going on. Bye, David Michelle. You know how to reach me. Email address is micheld d0714@gmail.com. Let me just put it here, just in case you wanted to send me a message. Gmail.com. Name is Michelle. My telephone number is 551-254-1969. Oops, sorry. Okay. Okay. It's bigger. Okay. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to hearing back from you, providing with feedback. Like I told you before, this is just the MVP, and we have more to come.